Hey guys, this is Nick, and as I said in last video, by the way, this setup will also get an amazing update in few days, so stay tuned for that. Well, here is the setup update. If you are a fan of Zoro, then this update will make you even happier. Let's see how your home screen will look like right after this intro. To make your home screen like this, first you need to check video given in this I button or in the description and follow all the steps. Once that is completed, then you need to set this wallpaper. So set it as a wallpaper. Okay, now once wallpaper is set, we need to go to the KWGT. And in this widget 4 we need to replace the image. So click on the image, go to the directory, and select it. Change the size of this image if you want to. I have changed it to 175 and position to 5, so that will center it little bit. Click on the save, move to home, and enjoy your new home screen. So I hope you liked this update. If you did, make sure to hit like and subscribe if you haven't already. By the way, you can collect your files from the description. With that being said, this is Nick signing off. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, thanks for watching and stay creative.